Hello everyone. I, Dr. Gitanjali Kamra, Assistant Professor from the Department of Computer Applications at the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. Let me tell you that today we are going to understand a very interesting concept of artificial intelligence along with the difference with machine learning and deep learning. So before jumping towards the differences, let's talk about the AI and its benefit along with different scopes of it. So a quick recap with the previous class. AI, as I told you, artificial intelligence. So basically, it's a wide-ranging branch of computer science that is concerned with building smart machines that are capable of performing the tasks that are typically require the human intelligence. So we can say that the artificial intelligence is basically a capability of a machine to learn, to understand. So accordingly it behaves. So we can say yes, the ability of a digital computer or computer controlled robots to perform the tasks that are commonly associated with the intelligent beings. Yes, it's a machine's ability, as I said, that to perform the cognitive functions that we usually associate with human minds. So yes, the intelligence has been provided to the machine by us, that means by humans, to the machine so that they can perform like us. They can understand like us, and yes, they can take the decision making better than the humans. Now let's see the types of artificial intelligence. So my dear friends, artificial intelligence has been divided into two different types. One is the weak AI, which is also called as artificial neural intelligence, and the another type is a strong AI, to whom we also called as artificial general intelligence or artificial superintelligence. So let's talk about the weak AI first. So weak AI basically is artificial intelligence that trained and focused to perform some specific task. It means that it is not at all a generalized one. It is meant to perform some limited task, like for example Siri, a voice assistant that takes the voice messages as an instruction and performs accordingly. So for example, we can see Amazon Alexa, IBM Watson and other autonomous vehicles that are working on weak AI technology. Now let's talk about the strong AI. So basically it is made of the artificial general intelligence, or as I said, it is also called as artificial superintelligence because it describes the programming that can replicate the cognitive abilities of the human brain. It means that it can think like us, it can make decisions, it can predict the things for future. It is working as an intelligent smart devices, right? So this is all about your weak AI and strong AI. Now let's talk about the applications of artificial intelligence. So here comes the first in the list, that is speech recognition. For example, Google Assistants, Alexa, voice assistants and Siri. So likewise there are multiple applications of AI which are taking a voice messages as an instruction and performing well. Next application is customer service. Yes, the customers are getting quick responses. They do not have to wait for opening of the outlets or closing of the outlets. They can put their queries on the chatbot and they can get the responses. That is available for 24/7. Third is computer vision. The next, recommendation engines and in automated stock trading. So AI is everywhere. Moving ahead with the benefits of AI. So I must say, yes, AI is beneficial in every domain. So let's talk about the benefits present in the list. We can say yes, it is good at detail oriented jobs. It reduces the time for data heavy tasks. It saves the labor work and increases the productivity. Yes, it delivers the consistent results. It can also improve customer satisfaction through personalizations, and AI powered virtual agents are also available for 24/7. So these were the benefits of AI. Now let's moving ahead towards the disadvantages of AI. So yes, my dear friends, if something having advantages, so definitely it must have some disadvantages as well. So AI is also providing advantages along with the disadvantages. So let's talk about the disadvantages of artificial intelligence. So yes, it's one of the expensive technology. It requires deep technical expertise. Yes, if you are good enough in artificial intelligence, then only you can deal with its tools and techniques, otherwise not. It is limited in supply of qualified workers to build the AI tools. Yes, it reflects the biases of its training data at scale. It is having a lack of ability to generalize from one task to another. It also eliminates the human jobs, increasing unemployment rate. So if you might have read in the news articles, yes, people are protesting against this trending technology. Why so? Because it is causing unemployment for them. This particular technology is taking job of many people. Now, moving ahead for the scope, let's see the scope of artificial intelligence. Yes, as I said, it is everywhere in every domain. The artificial intelligence is working successfully. So, here I have quoted the major scope of AI. It is in education, in chatbots and automated grading. So, my dear friends, you must be aware of the education aspect, you must be aware of the chatbots. But if I'll talk about the automated grading, so here comes your online platforms from where you are getting the learnings like your Swam Prabha, like your Swam portals, like your ePathshala, your Diksha websites. So they all are now integrated with this AI features. Moving ahead with the main topic of our today's class, that is difference between AI, ML and DL. So first of all, we'll understand what basically the full forms are for these three different terms. AI, as I said, it stands for artificial intelligence, whereas ML stands for machine learning and DL stands for deep learning. So how these three different techniques are actually differ from each other? So let's see the differentiation table here. So yes, AI, that is artificial intelligence, is basically a process which enables the machine to mimic, that means to imitate the human behavior through particular algorithm. Whereas the machine learning is basically a study that uses the statistical methods that enable machines to improve with the experiences. And on the other hand, we have deep learning concept. So basically it's a study that makes Use of neural network. Now here a term comes neural network. So basically these are similar to the neurons present in human brain. So neural network having a concept of neuron that are very much similar to the human brains. So it imitates the functionalities just like a human brain. So this is the very first difference that actually clarified the definition of these three terminologies. Now next difference we'll see that AI is a broader family that consisting of ML and DL as its component. So I must say that under the artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning comes. Another one, machine learning. So yes, as it is a subset of artificial intelligence, whereas the deep learning is a subset of machine learning. So now you must got the hierarchy. First comes your artificial intelligence, under which machine learning, and then your deep learning. Next difference is artificial intelligence is a computer algorithm which exhibits intelligence through decision making. It means that artificial intelligence is able or must say capable to take the decisions. Whereas the machine learning is an AI algorithm which allow the systems to learn from the data. It means on the basis of past experience, on the basis of observation, machine learns itself, right? Then deep learning. So yes, deep learning is a machine learning algorithms that uses deep neural network to analyze the data and provide great insight over it. Moving ahead with the next difference. So the aim of artificial intelligence is basically to increase the chances of success and not the accuracy. It means it works over the success ratio in comparison to its accuracy. But machine learning increases the accuracy in the result, not caring much about the success ratio. Whereas the deep learning attains the highest rank in terms of accuracy when it is trained with a large amount of data. So it means I must say that deep learning is well suited for the large or the bulk amount of database. Moving ahead, yes, now here the artificial intelligence having three broad categories. They are artificial narrow intelligence ANI, artificial general intelligence AGI, and artificial superintelligence, that is ASI. Then machine learning again classified into three main categories. They are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Next is deep learning. So here deep learning can be considered as a neural network with a large number of parameters, layer lying in one of the four fundamental network architecture. Now these four fundamental network architectures are unsupervised pre-trained network, convolution neural network, recurrent neural network, and the recursive neural network. So this was all about the differences among AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Now moving ahead with the capabilities of AI. So yes, it is very much capable in different sectors, in different domains to work multidimensionally. So yes, the first capability that it shows to us is personalization and profiling. Next is prediction. Yes, on the basis of past results, it can predict for future. The third one is pattern recognition and anomaly detection. Yes, it is capable to detect or to analyze the patterns or recognize the patterns for future, and also able to detect the faults in the data. Then yes, it works with the natural language, that is a concept of natural language processing, NLP. Then yes, it can do the object identification and goal achievements. So yes, if you are using AI in your particular application or in the domain wherever you are working, so you must get various capabilities of it as well as different benefits. So this is all about our today's lecture. I hope you must have enjoyed about AI learnings. So we'll see you soon. Thank you.